naked Suzuki 150cc model 2018 in India, GSX is now equipped with features so the tires do not lock during braking. The distant relative of Suzuki GSX S150 is equipped with ABS. Suzuki GSX in India, equipped with a single-cylinder engine 155cc air-cooled. The engine produces 14.8 horsepower of 8,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 14 Nm 6,000 revolutions per minute, but is still carbureted. 5-speed manual transmission. However, the various features are up to date: digital instrument panels, sign lights and LED tails, and a twin-port exhaust. Remarkably, the distant relative of Suzuki GSX S150 is equipped with ABS single-channel. As a marker that naked Suzuki 155cc has been equipped with a passive safety system, the front fender will contain an ABS sticker. In India, GSX will be the competitor of the Honda CB Hornet and Bajaj Pulsar 160 NS.